How nice! Today I'm reacting to Backstreet's video about build the best house in Dead Wales. Okay, so he used Cal car for this, and Cal car is probably the best car to build a house inside because it has like wood like house. They're playing with Werewolf and Conductor class. That's the best class duo. If you want If you want a solo, I think you should get Werewolf or Conductor. But if you want speedrun, just use Conductor. Conductor is so good at speedrun. Oh, so this guy I think is the worker of Backstrix. But what I think it is like the house is now not bulletproof because in the latest update of the version of Death Trails, the bullet is through wood and paper, I think. So use paper and wood, yeah, they're cooked. Let's just keep bunch of this thing. So, okay. Oh, how is the banker zombie dancing around? I think it's a glitch when you build it. It can be still rotated or something. I don't know. Oh, the lightning rod makes the train didn't move because it's got stuck on the top of the train. Right now, four constitution had a bunch of lag, unfortunately. So later on the day, I was playing with my friend, and suddenly I came to this place, and there was only one zombie. I don't know why our captain press for this. We just killed each other horses. Bro missed his. So if you guys didn't know, horses are so OP back then. You can abuse bunch of glitch with it. Now the only available one is the cowboy glitch I do in a video, or the cowboy wall teleport glitch. Okay, let's skip again and see what's happened next. Oh, It's already built like a home base. So, so I think this is like dining room, like bunch of Nichols Sujring, and I think this is the painting living room, like that. Oh, very good train actually. Guys, comment down below. Is cattle car good for making houses or armored train bear? I feel like cattle car is much more worth it because it's more cheap and it didn't consume any fuel, right? It didn't consume that much fuel. What is that? Yeah, like it's the living room, the faces and the painting in the living room. So it's decoration. Skip a bunch of times. Okay. Bro, we have a banjo. Bro, this is like his storage of banjos. Oh, bro, this is crazy. This is very good. Yeah, pretty cozy. Very good. Oh my god, bro. Oh, this is like the storage room. This is the silver's room. I don't know. Wait, what is that? Never mind. I think I see one golden plate does not have that same pattern like the other ones. Okay, this is pretty good. This is becoming pretty good. Okay, okay, okay. This is the dining room. Yeah, I'm right. This is the dining room. This is the Captain Prescott and the banker is the what is it called living room. Living room. This is the living room. Wait, there's a pretty interesting part. Hey, yeah, like there. That is pretty interesting deck. Oh, he got money for dinner. He's just flexing right now. Money. Okay. This is a very good. How much did you guys rate this from 1 to 10? I will rate this like 9 out of 10. Solid 9 out of 10. This is good, but not the most good. Um, oh, the cannonball, everybody, the cannonball. See that? That's what I'm talking about. The golden plates. They have a different pattern. It's supposed to be like this, but it's like this. Okay. Oh, so here's the dynamite to decorate it. If you didn't know, dynamite if if you burn the dynamite and store it before it explodes, it will only have particles, but it won't explode. Yeah, very cool. But what is What's exploding? Okay, he's on the final outpost. So, oh, it got no bullets. No bullets are hitting him. Okay, let's just skip because probably he's gonna win. If you didn't know, the final outpost was very easy, right? It only took me like um, the process that takes a long time is just traveling to 80 kilometers itself. It's very like 30 minutes. Oh, it's a balcony, not a deck, not a deck coming deck. Okay, the video ends. Thank you for watching.